Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to fix ORA-54026 error in Oracle database 12c. So here you can see that I have logged into the SQL Plus editor as a common user called c#scott. Okay, now I am going to create one table called marks table, contains serial number, max column, physics column and total column. Total is the sum of max plus physics. Okay, table is created successfully. Okay, now what I am going to do, I am going to alter the table called marks. Okay, so I am altering the max column. Max as 100 plus physics. So I am putting some dummy expression here. Okay, I am putting dummy expression. Okay, so what is the problem here? ORA-54026 real column cannot have an expression, error is thrown. So I try to modify the real column as a max is the real column. Okay, I try to modify as a expression column. Okay, so ORA-54026 error is thrown.